Hello, welcome again. We are studying material science through previous year PSU objective questions. Question number 9 is the ultimate tensile strength and yield strength of most of metals when temperature falls from 0 degree to minus 150 degree Celsius will option A increase, option B decrease, option C remain constant, option D first increase and then decrease, option E show unpredictable behavior. So answer is option A, the ultimate tensile strength and yield strength of most of metals when temperature falls from 0 degree to minus 150 degree Celsius will increase. So its explanation is, so as temperature decreases, strength increases due to less tendency of movement of primary bond as stress is applied. So this can be understood by this formula. So at a particular temperature, this formula is small n by capital N is equal to exponent bracket minus E by Kp bracket close, where n is number of atoms which possesses activation energy at a particular temperature, okay, or barrier for movement. This activation is they do not have any barrier for movement. They flow, these number of atoms flow, or they crosses the barrier of movement. So these are the number of atoms at a particular temperature which possesses activation energy to remove the barrier of movement or barrier of flow. Okay. And suppose capital N is your total number of atoms, E is your activation energy, K is Boltzmann constant, and T is temperature. So as this temperature decreases, so this factor will E by Kt will increase or minus E by Kt will decrease. So as this quantity decreases, so N will also decrease. So at lower temperature there will be lesser N. So if there are lesser N, or the lesser number of atoms which has activation energy, so when the stress is applied, they will not move. So it will increase strength. So answer is option A. The ultimate tensile strength and yield strength of most of metals when temperature falls from 0 degree to minus 150 degree will increase. Answer is option A.